The drop-in event here today is aimed to help people who are considering becoming a foster carer by giving them information, advice and one-on-one chats about what's involved.
There is a shortage of foster carers, particularly in Cardiff. It's a big local authority, and there is a need for young people to have a safe and secure home, whether that be for a couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months, leading on to years. It is the size of the city. We've also got different types of fostering. So you've got parent and child fostering, where mums who may be having difficulties need to come into foster care and just have a little bit more support. And some families just need a break as well. It's about providing support to families to enable them to look after the children and for the children to have positive outcomes in the future.
And so what kind of children do you have here? Like, what kind of children do you see that are in need?
It's a wide range. We can get sibling groups, from about 3 to 5. Yeah, so sibling groups with different needs at different ages. Obviously, you've got the teenagers who they're going to go through their normal teenage rebellions as well, but they've got their own challenges. They may have difficulties in school. They may not want to attend, so it's about supporting them, getting them back into education, because education is very important then as they leave foster care at 18 and move on to independence. So we're looking at carers who are resilient, who are able to support young people through quite challenging times. They may have experienced a lot of rejection in their lives, and we need to show that we're there for them, we're resilient, we're not going to give up on them, and that we're going to give them a better outcome and a better future.
What kind of criteria are you looking for from a foster carer? Is there a certain age or a certain type of person you're looking for?
Fostering is open to anyone, any age, any background. We just want carers that want to provide time to these children, give a lot of nurturing, give them a safe and stable home. It doesn't matter what your age is, doesn't matter what your experience is, just come in, find a bit more out about fostering, see if it's for you, and you can really make a difference to a child's life. They have to see beyond the needs or the behaviours of the young person and see what that child actually needs. And that's, I think, is a very valuable quality. And it's to say that, when the young person is getting upset or is finding it difficult, it's not a reflection on the foster carer. It's actually the foster carer's job to stand there and say, it's okay to feel like that. So they need a lot of patience, a lot of nurturing, and just a lot of insight into seeing beyond the behaviours and actually looking at the young person themselves.
And so what's the difference between fostering and adoption?
Fostering tends to be short term, so it could be a couple of weeks to a couple of years. Adoption is a full-time commitment to that young person. Fostering, you'll still get the support of the local authority and the foster care agency. And as I said, it could be until they're 18, or it could just be for 1 or 2 years until they move back home or move on to another foster placement.
The event here today shows a great need for more foster carers in Cardiff and how the association can support them. They'll be running their campaign over the coming months with extra awareness during the summer events in the city.